Hi guys, we're using this 360 degrees swivel gaming chair for reviewing purposes, and what is nice about this chair is that it can go, well, it goes directly onto your floor, so let's open it and see what comes inside. Okay, in here we've got the adjustment instructions. This is the proper chair, okay? It's really nice. I like the colors. And what is nice is that you can adjust it. I mean, this is how you storage it, but as you can see, it has 5 adjustments. It's the first place, second, third. As you can see, you can move it backwards, 4th and 5. Okay. So it's really convenient, and as you can see, it comes with the base protected. It has its own storage bag. So let's open it up. Okay, here it is. As you can see, you can turn it. I'm gonna test it on the floor. So let's see how it looks. I'm gonna unfold it to the maximum, and I'm gonna sit down, test it. It's really comfortable actually. I like that it has this guard for your arms. It's a very nice material quality. It's a breathable mesh, so you don't have to worry about it, and you can use it to read. It's just set like that. You are a bit more straightened up. A little bit more, as you can see. I can turn around. A little bit more, I think. And be playing, you know. And upright. But on the floor. See? Looks really nice, really comfortable. It's a nice option to have if you like to play video games, stuff like that, that you can sit on the floor and select how you wanna be, well, the inclination of the chair. It's really nice. I would really recommend it. It's really comfortable. And as you can see, really easy to use. Just take it out of the package and unfold it and select how you wanna place it. So I would really recommend it. See ya.